Was this not recording that whole time? Good morning, you guys.
Good morning to my beautiful baby.
Hey, baby.
Oh, hi.
I got ready for the day. We got ready for the day. My hair looks dark on camera right now. Oh my god, I love. Am I gonna dye my hair dark again? Maybe the end of April. Who knows? Who knows if who knows if I have an appointment or not? Did you hear the wood underneath my bed just fall? Okay, I feel cute again. Oh, you can't see, but I'm flapping my feet. We're gonna do Instagram shoot today, and I'm really excited because we're gonna take some photos that I've been wanting to take for a long time that they have more of a vibe to them and less like, you know what I mean? And it's interesting because the photos I used to post on Instagram like years ago, I'm talking 5-6 years ago, are more of what I want to be posting now. Like, I love this photo. I posted this last year. See, gentle, it's pretty. I think first things first is we should pull some outfits. I think my goal right now is to get 9 photos. So that perfect like 9, when you look at someone's Instagram, that's the goal. When I have a vision, I really have to bring it to life. But it's rare that I have a vision anymore. I'm not gonna manifest that. I always have a vision. Ooh, this would be a cute jacket to look like I have no shirt on in. Love that. This would be cute with a little thong on. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Should I throw this on with it? And then just have like no pants? Yeah. Golden hour? Love. Yes. Oh my god, I freaking knew. How did I know the minute my phone was ringing it was you?
Because I love you more than anyone else on this earth.
Oh my god, same. I was like, that's Nini's. Yeah, where are you? That chair is cute. The brick wall is cute. You're cute. Look at you have shorts on. With your salad and your red nails. Oh my god, you springtime queen. Okay, here's the deal. I just FaceTime my girlfriend. I also have all of these picked out because I want some cute, like, there are people in the world that don't like to lotion their bodies. That's weird. And I don't trust you. If you don't lotion your whole body when you get out of the shower, I don't trust you. Mm-mm. But look at my hair, so it's fine. You can't judge too much, can I? I'm taking this body oil. I love that sound. And we're just gonna... I have oil all over the ground. We're gonna lock it in with my favorite glow secret for photos, but a spray sunscreen. Can you even see it in this lighting? Now, I have to get into my mode. I'm gonna turn on some music and I'll show you what goes down. I don't think I can put this on YouTube, but I spilled. I just did a huge Target haul, or a huge Target shop. We're gonna have some fun tonight. I got 3 new notebooks, all hot pink. I got new biker shorts. Hopefully these fit. They're only $7. I bought myself a gourmet stuffed pizza, obviously, gourmet. More coffee. Oh my god, I found a mini apple pie. I got some paints. We're gonna paint tonight. I also got actual brushes, but they're so small. Like, I found these little tanks. They were only $8, and I'm actually gonna cut them into crop tops. Here's like this orange one, really pretty, like pale blue. And then this pink tie-dye one. That's like, just like the orange one, but it's pink. Cute colors. Oh my god, I love these. This is the chlorophyll aloe water from Salty. I got a bottle of Prosecco. Pineapple orange juice, so you might have some, like, make little mimosas. Well, it has pineapple, orange, apple, and passion fruit. I also got some little highlighters for the notebooks. And so these ones are like pastel, and these ones, see, they match, but these are more, whatever. 2 new lotions, because I keep one by both sinks. These little boards. I couldn't find any canvases, so I got these. Prosecco on a Saturday night. Okay, ready? I hope this doesn't explode. Oh my. Ready? I want ice cubes in this. Oh, hold up. Cheers to art night. I'm excited. Oh, I love how thick this paint is. Okay, ready? Here we go. I want to take this, oh gosh, this brush is, this gives me exactly what I'm looking for. Okay, ready? I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna think about it. We're just gonna do it because that is how I live my life. Ready? Hi, I'm making a pizza now. Have I had a little bit to drink? Of course I have. Have you? I don't know.
Please, man. Pretty please, really chicken and top.
Ooh, I should, oh, you smell it? Ah. I'm gonna continue eating my pizza with the cheese crust. I feel like this whole vlog has been in my kitchen. I just ordered my guilty pleasure meal, which is a McChicken, a small fry, and a large Coke. I can only drink a fountain soda, and I'm not even a big soda person at all, but this, and then I got an extra McChicken for Ellie. I don't know what it is about a fountain Coke from McDonald's, but it like spanks me. Ellie, eat it. Good girl, good girl. Second package of the day has arrived. I got some books in the mail. Now, this is what I've been waiting for. D&D package has arrived. They make gel polishes and I'm obsessed with them. Oh my God. There's so much in here. Okay, let's see. Look at these colors. This one, Jiggles and Pinky Promise stand out to me the most right now. Dazzle's pretty. God, Mike and Ike, the Minty Mint one. This is a really beautiful yellow. Honey, Ruth is gorgeous. Mermaid, oh my God. They're all gorgeous. These like change color. I wanna play with these. And look at all these masks. I'm not even kidding. I'm so excited for all of these masks. There's like one to match any outfit I ever wear ever. These hand sanitizers. D&D, I love you. You guys keep an eye out for something very special that I'm doing with them because there's something happening for you.
Hi guys, I just realized while I'm editing this video that I didn't have an outro, so I hope you enjoyed these little bits of my life. It's been fun to vlog and just have little moments with you guys. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you would like to have more vlogs like this. I was kind of thinking we could do vlogs on Wednesdays and style videos on Sundays. Oh, the lighting's getting all weird. I'm also missing a nail. Anyways, I love you guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there's anything else you would like to see from me. And I will see you very soon. Mwah. Bye, guys. This lighting. Bye.